Good morning. Today we'll take the derivative of y equals the ln of the square root of x, the quantity x plus 1 to the 5th power over the quantity x plus 2 to the 20th power. And we'll use properties of logarithms to break this down, to split it up first before we get into taking the derivative. So first of all, I see that we have a square root of the argument, and that's like the power of 1/2, and we know we can bring the power of the argument on the logarithm to be a multiple of the logarithm, or a constant multiplied by the logarithm. So that'll be 1/2 times the ln of x plus 1, quantity x plus 1 to the 5th over quantity x plus 2 to the 20th. Now I can use some more properties to say that the logarithm of a quotient is the difference of the logarithms, and I have to distribute this 1/2, so I have 1/2 times the ln of the quantity x plus 1 to the 5th power minus 1/2 times the natural log of x plus 2 to the 20th power. Now I can use the same rule I used in the very first step or the property that I first used in the very first step is now I have a 5th power of the argument, 20th power of the argument, so I can bring them down as a product of the logarithms. So I'll have y equals 5 over 2 natural log of x plus 1. And when I bring the 20 down, 20 divided by 2 is minus 10 natural log of x plus 2. Now the derivative has become much simpler. So y prime equals, constant stays out in front, 5/2 times 1 over the argument. The derivative of the argument is 1 plus 0, so it's 1, I'm not even going to write it, minus 10 times, again, 1 over the argument, which is x plus 2. The derivative of the argument, x plus 2, is just 1. I feel like I should get a common denominator. Probably should have left that as a 20, but who cares? So y prime equals, this side needs a x plus 2 the numerator, so I have 5 times x plus 2 divided by 2 times x plus 1, and then, oops, the common denominator is of course 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 2, and then this side is a negative 2 times the 2 from here is a 20 times x plus 1, and then distributing and simplifying I get 5x plus 10 minus 20x minus 20 in the numerator, all over 2 plus times x plus 1 times x plus 2, and what do we get? Negative 15x minus 10. No, there's no 2 in there, so I'll just put no, I'm going to leave it like this. Negative 15x is 5x minus 20x, minus 10 is over 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 2, and that is about as simplified as I want to get it. I guess I could pull out a 5 in the numerator, or negative 5, but I don't really care. That's enough for me.